Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yota. I'm thrilled to have you here today. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. I love you guys all so much. So for today's video, I have a couple reveals. I can't call them unboxings because you guys, I am just too impatient for that. But if you're interested to see what I've purchased lately, stick around. Before we get started with all the good stuff, I just want to say, while you are watching this video, I am now in San Francisco. We went to Oregon to see my husband's daughter who lives out there, who is going to school out there. We are going to spend some time in San Francisco, and as you're watching this, that's where I am. I had to pre-upload some videos. Before I left because I don't want to disappoint you guys. I am the worst person in the world when it comes to unboxings. If it comes at the right time, I'll do an unboxing. But most of the time, I just tear into it. I just can't wait. So I did buy a few things, and I don't always do unboxings. I do purchase things quite a bit, and a lot of the stuff that I buy, I just don't show you guys. I need to show you my bag of the last 2 weeks, you guys. I've just been too lazy to change it out. It's been rainy. This is the bag. Once I start carrying this bag, I just can't put it up. So I've been carrying this bad boy for about 2 weeks. I'm really about to put it up because I'm not going to take this on my trip. But this is the bag that I'm carrying, stuffed full with my Samorga organizer. I love it. You guys are probably sick of seeing it by now. I've just been too lazy to change out my stuff. Okay, let me show you some goodies. When I show you guys what I got, you're gonna want some. You are going to want these, you guys, so I will link them in the description box below. I am so excited if I can get a hold of them. I got not one but 2 pair of Uggs. Now, they're not what you're thinking, so let me show you what I found. And when I found them, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have them. And you guys know how I am. When I get something and I really love it, I have to get 2. All right, so, oh my goodness, I love them. So they are Uggs, and I purchased these from Nordstrom. And you guys, they are fuzzy Ugg slippers. Look at that. Are they not so pretty? And it says Ugg right here. I don't know if that's going to show up, but right here it says Ugg. They're soft. Look at the bottom. You can wear them out. So I came across these because I was actually just going to get some Uggs. I forgot about the Uggs when I saw these. I thought, wow, these would be so cute in the spring and summer. I know they're fuzzy, but you guys know how I love slides. So definitely I had to have the black pair. But then I saw another pair that I absolutely had to have because I buy things in 2s. I used to be worse. I cut it off at 2s. But you guys, they are so comfortable. They are true to size. I normally wear a size 8, and that's what I got. They're so cute and so comfortable, and I just had to show these to you guys because if you love slides the way I do, you'll want to pick up a pair. Remember how much they were. I want to say around $70. So I picked up another pair. Look at that color. So I had to have some with a bright color, and you guys know I do love orange. This is more of like a coral. How pretty are these? You can see where it says Ugg. It's showing up better. There's all colors, you guys. There was a beautiful gray. There was some brown. There was some tan. All colors. How cute would these be in the spring and summer with a little denim skirt and a little top? I mean, and they're not house shoes. I mean, I do find myself, I've worn these quite a bit around the house. I love them. They are so super cute. And like I said, I buy a lot of things. I stay up late at night and I get in trouble. When I found these, I thought I have to share these because they're so super cute. Fuzzy Ugg slides. So I had to get the black and I had to get a pop of color. So, yep. So I'm ready for spring, and I'll definitely link these in the description box because you guys, you have to have a pair. We all have to be twinning, don't we? So this is a really nice purchase. I think both pair were less than $150. Okay, my next item is from Hermes. Yes, you heard it right, Hermes. Did I get a Birkin or a Kelly? Neither. What I got is in this tiny little box, but I'm excited about it. I've already opened it. Here's the paper. I was gonna try to trick you guys and like wrap it all up, but I decided I would just go ahead and show you. But here's the care booklet. Nobody cares about that stuff. Why do YouTubers spend so much time showing the stuff that we don't care about? What we really care about is what is in here. So as you guys know, if you're watching me on Instagram, you know what it is. But I just have went Hermes bangle crazy. That's what it is. Of course, it comes in this box. Gosh, is it in there? Oh, okay. It's just a little thin enamel bracelet. And my friend Bobster92, hi Bobby, mine fits. He bought one. It's funny because we have the same taste. Everything he gets or wears, or I mean, we just love the same thing. And he ordered one and I was like, no way. Because I've been looking at them for about a month. I was so jelly. I thought, I can't let Bobby get anything over on me. Of course, he's the queen of Hermes. He has so much Hermes, you know, Kellys and Charms and Birkins. I won't ever catch up with him. But anyway, so he ordered it and I thought, I'm gonna get mine. So we said it was gonna be our friendship bracelet, but his didn't fit. So Bobby, when they get more in your size, you definitely need to get one. And I absolutely love it. Actually, I think I'm gonna pick up 2 more. And I did get these off the Hermes website because I love things in 3s. I have other Hermes bangles and I've just went crazy. Their bangles, they are just stunning in person to look at. And this little bracelet is small, but there's a lot going on. It's very classy looking, very expensive looking, and I love it because you can just stack it. So the way I have been wearing this bracelet, let me show you. I've just been obsessed with Hermes. I had recently purchased this one off Fashionphile. You guys remember I did the unboxing on that? I've had this click bracelet for quite a while. Now I have this. Look at that. Jingle, jingle. Jingle, jingle. I love it. You guys, the gold on it is just stunning and so pretty. Check out Fashionphile. They have a reserve program and they have tons of Hermes bangles, you guys. Find you one and put it on reserve. Build you up a stack of Hermes bangles, you guys. I went crazy. But I just think this is so, so pretty. Just so pretty. They are about $300. My bangle is the medium size. I believe a 65. Whatever the medium size is, that's the size that I got. So I think I have about maybe a 7-inch wrist if you are interested. So, yep, that's my first reveal. I can't call it an unboxing, but I love these, you guys, and I was excited to show you. I got something else, and it's in this box, and my husband opened it up. He did. I was really gonna try to do a real unboxing. Keith opened it up. So he gave it to me like this. So what's a girl to do? I already saw it. But let me show you what I picked up from Fashionphile, you guys. I really wish I didn't put this on reserve. As a matter of fact, I was so excited when I found it that I had it sent to me overnight because it wasn't a whim. I've been looking for something like this for quite a while. So I happened to find it, and there's the exciting Fashionphile party in a box. All of the confetti and the file. I don't even use files. Maybe I should save them up for a giveaway. Would that be dumb? Okay, so here's all the stuff that goes with it. We don't care about that. This is the way it was. They didn't have it taped. They just had it like that. Used is the new. Actually, this was a piece from the 2019 collection, and it was listed as new. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to have it. I mean, I have to. Because like I said, it's not really a whim. I've actually been looking for a piece like this. So instead of just sitting here talking, let me show you what I got. And I have peeked at it, you guys. So, Fashionphile. So it's in this dust bag. What else is in there? Nothing. I have not had the first margarita. I'm just acting crazy because tomorrow is the day we're leaving for our vacation. Okay, so I'm gonna reach in this bag and pull out these tags. What do you guys think I got? Let me just pull it out. I'm terrible at this. Yes, yes, you guys, look at that. It's so pretty. I wanted something kind of short, and of course it's attached to these tags with a certificate of authenticity on it. Remove the tag and you own the bag. This is not a bag. The reason I've been looking for something like this is because I like shorter necklace. I mean, I do sometimes wear a long necklace, but I like something like this for an everyday thing, and there are no stones on it whatsoever. So it is from their 2019 collection, and I really love the fact that there are two chains. It's like a double chain. That really appealed to me. And recently I purchased a Chanel bracelet from Fashionphile. I need to go get it and show you guys because I do have some Chanel CC crystal earrings. Oh, I actually have a gold pair. Oh my gosh, I practically have an entire set. I just thought of that. I'll have to break that out in a minute and show you. But I just wanted something simple, and I'm going to take this choker off and put it on for you. All right, I'm back. Oh my goodness. So I found these earrings that I totally forgot about. I've had these for a really long time. They're a little darker, but I still think they're really pretty together. And here's the bracelet. It all goes so pretty together. I love it. All right. Let's make it official. Bum 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 bum. Ah! That was fun. So, yeah, this is my beautiful Chanel necklace, and I love it because I love a choker type necklace. It's not really a choker, but it's good for every day. I mean, I'm just wearing this hoodie and it looks great together. I just love these pieces because they're classic. I don't ever have to worry about stones falling out of them. So I'm super happy with my Fashionphile purchases, you guys. I'm totally obsessed with Fashionphile. Probably would be better if I didn't know they existed, but you know, that's just how it is when you're on YouTube. You find out things that would probably be better that you didn't know about. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? It's simple, but I think it's just really pretty, and I'm really happy with it. I'm so excited that I found it. All right, so now I want to show you the painting for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I've been really busy. My life, I don't know, for somebody who doesn't work a public job, I don't know how, I just don't have any time. I have so much going on every day, but I finally got the painting finished, and I'm finally getting around to doing the giveaway. I'm excited because you guys are getting a sneak peek of the painting that I did for you guys for the giveaway, and I'm actually gonna plan a few more things. I'm still working on it, and this painting has to dry, but this is a Gucci print that I had. It's a watercolor, and that's what I started to do, and I may do some, but I love oils, so I thought I would do an oil painting. So somebody's gonna win this in the giveaway. I'm really excited, and like I said, right now while you're watching this video, I am in San Francisco, and this painting needs to sit on the easel and dry so I can ship it. But I hope you guys like it. I just want to give back to you guys. I love you guys so much because I love doing YouTube, and I have such support and such friends. I mean, I never thought that I was going to have make friends off YouTube, and I didn't really realize that we really are a community. Other YouTubers, you hear me talking about Autumn a lot, and we love to roast each other. You guys, I just think the world of her. So anytime I'm roasting her, don't take me serious. She loves it. But not just the YouTubers, but the subscribers. I have so many subscribers who message me, who email me, and I just get so much joy from you guys. So I want to give some of it back. So this is the oil painting that I did. So this is it. I hope you guys love it. And if you want to be entered in the giveaway, I want you to say enter me, and you also have to follow me on Instagram, and I have to be able to confirm it. Some subscribers, they keep themselves private. I have to be able to confirm it. If you're not following me on YouTube and Instagram, then I can't enter you. I'm going to do this fair. The last giveaway that I had, someone said, well, I don't have an Instagram. Well, I'm sorry, but that's the rules. And if you have a different name on Instagram, tell me what it is, because I'm not going to look for it. The last the last giveaway, I was like searching, and you know, I found a lot of you, but it's too much work. So you have to tell me if you have a different name on Instagram. When I get back from my trip, we will be doing the giveaway within the next couple of weeks. Okay, so that's it, you guys. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think about my necklace. I love it. My Hermes bracelet. You guys, at some point I'm going to show you guys my entire luxury. Oh, okay. And at some point I am going to do a video on my entire Okay, at some point I am going to do an entire video on my entire luxury costume jewelry collection. That's right. That's a mouthful. So until next time, you guys, bye-bye. I have to be able to confirm it. So if you I'm going to show you guys my entire luxury. Oh, okay. And at some point I am going to do a video on my entire At some point, I am going to do an entire video on my entire luxury costume jewelry collection. That's right. That's a mouthful.